Take down the question number 2. Here, in triangle ABC, BDC means here BDC in a one length or one side, okay, and BD is equal to 7. BD is a 7, right? And BC is equal to 20, means whole BC, okay. This is a 20, okay. Then find the following ratio. Then we have to find the ratios of area of triangles. Okay, first triangle, look at your area of triangle ABC means ABC upon triangle ADC. ADC means first we have to find the area of big triangles and this medium triangle ADC, okay. And then next area of triangle ABD means ABD, this short triangle or small triangle. Then ratio area of triangle ABC. ABC, okay. And third one is a area of triangle ADC means ADC upon area of triangle ABC. ABC, okay. आपको क्या करना है, तीन ट्रायंगल से उनका क्या करना है, रेशो ऑफ एरियाज निकालना है, ओके. सो फर्स्ट we can say given, okay, consider the given thing. Then we know that the BD is equal to 7, right? And BC is equal to 20. We know that this is a 7 length, okay, and this is a 20. So we can find about this information DC, okay. We have to find the value of DC, okay. Then we know that, okay, BDC, this is in a linear or same, okay. ये क्या है, एक ही लाइन में है, तो हम देख सकते हैं, ये कंसीडर कर सकते हैं कि DC इक्वल्स टू BC माइनस BD. BD, okay. We have to find this length DC, right? Then BC minus BD करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगी, DC की लेंथ मिलेगी, okay. तो put value of BC is a 20 minus value of DD is a 7, okay. Then find out the answer. So DC is equal to, we can say this is a 13, okay. The length, we get the length of DC, okay. So above this information we can find the areas of those triangles, okay. Then triangle, look at here, triangle ABC, triangle ABD and triangle ADC are three triangles, okay. And that the A point is a common point, right? Then the vertices of triangles A is a common point, right? This vertex is a same for all triangles. So we can say the height of triangle is the same. Height of triangle is the same, right? When we have the condition, when the heights of triangles are same, then the ratio of area of triangles are equal to their correspondence base, okay. जो बेस होते हैं उसके ऊपर क्या हो जाता है, उनका एरिया का रेशो डिपेंड्स रहता है. सो वी कैन से और वी कैन राइट हियर द फर्स्ट रेशो for the area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC, okay. So we can write it is a, they having the same height, okay. Then we know that the formula for the area, ratio of area of triangle is equal to what, the 1/2 upon base into height upon 1/2 into base into height, right? So we can write here a base, okay. We know that the height is same, so triangle ABC having base is a BC, okay. And the triangle ADC, the base is DC, right? Then we know that the BC is the value of BC is 20, okay. 20 upon the value of DC is a 13. Okay, then we get the first answer for the ratio of area of triangle ABC upon triangle DADC. Okay, this is the answer. So take down the second one. Okay, for second ratio we have the area of triangle ABD upon area of a triangle ABC. Okay, then here two triangles, so we can write for the triangle ABD, then base of this triangle is a BD upon then triangle ABC, so base of this triangle is a BC. Okay, so BD, we know that the value of BD is a 7 upon BC is a 20. Okay, this is the ratio for the area of the triangles. So take down the third one. Okay, third area of a triangle ADC upon area of a triangle ABC. Okay, so we know that the triangle ADC having base is a DC upon triangle ABC having base BC, right? So DC is equal to, we have no, that is a 13 upon BC is equal to 20. Okay, this is our ratios. Got it? सो आपको क्या करना है, पहले जो बेस है वो निकालना है, और जब हाइट सेम होती है तो आपका जो आंसर है, जो एरियाज है निकालने का रेशो है, वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है, बेस के ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, टेक डाउन द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. रेशो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स with equal heights is a 2:3. If base of a smaller triangle is a 6 centimeter, then what is the corresponding base of a bigger triangle? Okay, then the question is, we have given here, okay, the ratio of area of two triangles. Okay, this is a ratio and they having equal heights, right? The both triangles having equal height, and in that the smaller triangle is having 6 centimeter base. Okay, base is given here. So first we can consider the given part. Okay, first given part, right? They having two triangles. Okay, so consider A1 and A2 be the two triangles. Okay, be the triangles or area of triangles. Okay, consider the areas of triangles, means A1 and A2. Okay, and they having same height. Okay, given here similar height or a height is a same. Then they have giving B1 and B2. Consider B1 and B2 is a base. Okay, base of a two triangles. Okay, two triangles. Okay, they given the 6 centimeter base. Okay, for the small triangle. So we have to first consider here small and big triangle. So consider the area A1 is a area of a bigger triangle. Okay, this is A1 is the area of a bigger triangle. Okay, and A2 is the area of a smaller triangle. Okay, we have consider here A1 and A2 for the areas of two triangles, and A1 is the area for the bigger triangle and A2 is the area for the smaller triangle. Okay, obviously B1 and B2 also distributed. B1 is a base of a bigger triangle. Okay, and B2 is a base of a smaller triangle, right? So here we get the smaller triangle and bigger triangle. So area, okay, here area A1 is to A2 is given here 3:2, because look at here, I have written here A1 as to A2 is equal to 3:2, because A1 is a bigger triangle and A2 is a smaller triangle. So numbers also change here, 3:2. Okay, and here given base, right? So B2, because this is a smaller triangle. So B2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, then we have to find here B1. Okay, then take down the formula for that. Okay, we know that the formula for area of triangle upon area of second triangle. Okay, this is the area of triangle A1 and A2. Okay, then we get the formula 1/2 into B1 into H upon 1/2 into B2 into H. Here height of a two triangles are same, right? Here is the height is the same, so 1/2 cancels to each other and height also cancels. Then we get the next formula is B1 upon B2. Okay, then we know that the values of A1 and A2, right? So A1 is a 3 upon A2 is a 2 equals to, we have to find the B1 value, and B2 is a 6. Okay, so take down the cross multiplication, then we get the 3 into 6 is equal to 2 into B1, right? Then we can write here like B1 is equal to 3 into 6 upon 2, right? Then take down the multiplication and division, then we get answer is a 9 centimeter, and this is the base of the bigger triangle. This is a 9 centimeter. ओके, तो आपको समझ में आया होगा कि यहाँ पे जो दिया गया है, एक बार बता देती हूँ मैं, क्योंकि आपको जो बेस दिया है, जो फाइंड आउट करना है बिगर ट्रायंगल के लिए, और आपको स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल का हाइट दिया है, एरियाज दिए गए A1 A2. ओके, एंड हियर गिव एरिया A1 इज कंसिडर, मतलब A1 जो कंसिडर किया है जो बिगर ट्रायंगल के लिए है, A2 जो कंसिडर किया है वो स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल के लिए. तो हम लोग एरिया एंड A1 एंड A2 यहाँ पे लिखा है, देखो. और B2 क्यों लिया? क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो हमें दिया गया है बेस वो स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल के लिए. सो हमने यहाँ पे B2 क्या किया है, स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल के लिए बेस कंसिडर किया है. तो आपको क्या करना है, फॉर्मूले में पुटअप करने हैं वैल्यूज़ जो दिए गए हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो हाइट सेम है इसीलिए हाइट कैंसिल हो रही है, 1/2 तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो आपको फॉर्मूला ये मिल रहा है. तो इसमें आप क्या करेंगे, वैल्यूज़ फिलअप करेंगे. ओके, और आपको फाइनल आंसर मिल जाएगा. जो आपको पूछा गया है कि स्मॉल बिगर ट्रायंगल का बेस क्या हो सकता है, तो यहाँ पे है जो 9 सेंटीमीटर आपको मिल रहा है. ओके, टेक डाउन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Here given is a given figure. So in figure, angle ABC and angle DCB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, then AB is given here 6 and DC is given here 8. Then find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB. Okay, we are given here one figure, and in that the angle B and C are the 90 degrees. Okay, and AB is a 6 and DC is a 8. Then we have to find the area of both triangles. Okay, so consider first given thing. Okay, right here given. So angle ABC is equal to angle DCB is equal to 90 डिग्री. ये 90 डिग्री के है. सो आपको AB इज इक्वल टू दिया है, AB इज इक्वल टू 6 and DC is equal to 8. Okay, and we know that in both triangle one thing is common, this is a BC. Okay, then in both triangle BC is the same, right? Same for a both triangle. Okay, so this is a base, right? This BC is a base for a both triangle. Okay, then we know that when the base is the same for a both triangle, then the area of triangle is proportional to its height, right? When base is the same for a both triangle, then the area of a triangle of a area of triangle is proportional to its height. Okay, then area of two triangles, okay, area of triangles is proportional to its height. Okay, then we know that the formula, okay, write here formula for that. Then the formula is, we know that the area of triangle ABC upon the area of triangle DCB. Okay, we have to find. Then write down first formula, 1 upon 2 into base into height, right? Then upon same base into height, right? So 1/2 cancel, and here base is the same for a both triangle, so these also cancels. Then we get the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB equals to height, means h1 upon h2 कंसिडर कर, और आप हाइट भी ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो राइट हियर हाइट. Then we know that for the triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB equals to height for the area of triangle, or triangle ABC is a AB and triangle DCB is a DC. So write the values for AB and DC. So we get here 6 upon 8. Okay, we know that the values of AB and DC, this is a given thing, so we can write next. Then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is 3 upon 4, right? This is the final answer. Okay, तो देखो ये बहुत ही इजी है. हमें क्या दिया हुआ है, देखो यहाँ पे एक बार मैं दिखाती हूँ. गिवन थिंग है, जो एंगल्स है बी एंड सी ये 90 डिग्री में है. यहाँ पे आपको हाइट दिया गया है कि ए बी 6 है और डी सी कितना है 8 है, और जो बी सी है दोनों ट्रायंगल का जो सेम पार्ट है वो बेस है, राइट? तो बेस यहाँ पे इक्वल है, तो एरिया किसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहेगा, तो हाइट के ऊपर डिपेंड रहेगा. सो वी नो दैट द फॉर्मूला, आपको फॉर्मूला लिखना है और आपको क्या करना है, फिर वैल्यू जो दी गई है वहाँ पे फिलअप करनी है. तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, यहाँ पे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स मिल जाएंगे. तो रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स is 3 upon 4.